The next one is the myxoedema. Okay, here a myxoedema, which means the dryness of the skin and hair. There are most of the causes for an adult. Okay, here a myxoedema. The first one is that is the symptoms for an. These are the symptoms for an myxoedema. First one is the mentally sluggish. Okay, here a sluggish, which means மந்தமா இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா தமிழ்ல, that is the mentally sluggish. Okay, and next one, increase the body weight. If they are having a myxoedema, and normally they are increasing their body weight. All the person, some of the person are obese in nature, but all the person are not having the same reason for that. Okay, and next one, they are having a puffness of face and head. Here a puffness, which means they are increasing the face size. Swelling ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, puffness, குண்டா இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, குண்டா இருக்கும் இல்லையா, that is the puffness of face and head. And next one, we are having the edematous appearance. Here edematous. Okay, edematous, which means they are having some accumulation of fluid in the tissues. For an example, just listen, this is the tissues. They are accumulation of some fluid in the tissues part. Okay, அப்போ accumulation of fluids இருந்ததுன்னா how they are appeared னா யூஸ்வலாக ரொம்ப பப்ளியாக இருக்க மாதிரி இருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா, அவங்களுடைய நார்மலாக இருக்கிறவங்களோட பப்ளியாக இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க ஸ்கின்னை ஒன்ஸ் நீங்கள் டச் பண்ணிங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாக ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணாலும் அந்த ஃபிங்கர் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண ஃபிங்கரோ இல்லை யூ ஹேவ் டு யூஸ் 4 fingers ஆல்சோ இப்படி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா நம்ம ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுற இம்ப்ரெஷன் அப்படியே அவங்க ஸ்கின்ல படிஞ்சிடும், உள்ளே போயிடும், அந்த ஸ்கின் அப்படியே உள்ளே போயிடும். ஓகேவா, ஆஃப்டர் ஃபியூ மினிட்ஸ் இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் தேர் கம்ஸ் அவுட். ஓகேவா, வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா தி ஃப்ளூயிட் அக்குமுலேஷன் இன் த டிஷ்யூ பாடி. Okay, and here that is the myxoedema. So that's it for an myxoedema. So we are completed our hypothyroidism. Let me move on to next topic, that is the hyperthyroidism. Here a first one, hyperthyroidism, that is a grave disease. Here a grave disease, which means their name of a grave disease is autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder, as you know that immune disorder, right? It is the autoimmune disorder. We commonly now, that is a scientific name of a grave disease. Here are some symptoms of a grave disease. That is some the symptoms are a hypothyroidism. The first one is a protrusion of an eyeball. A protrusion அப்படின்னா eyeball நார்மலாக இருக்கிறத விட வெளியே தூக்கிட்டு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, that is a protrusion, புடைச்சிட்டு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, that is a protrusion of an eyeball. A name is exophthalmia. A name of a protrusion eyeball, that is exophthalmia. Next one, increase in metabolism. We already said that what is a metabolism, anabolism or catabolism, just they are utilizing the energy and breakdown of an energy. Okay, and next one, increase in body temperature. If they are having a hyperthyroidism, they are normally increasing the body temperature. And next one, a profuse sweating. Profuse, which means they are having an excess amount of, okay, அதிகப்படியான sweatings இருக்கும். And next one பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா loss of body weight and nervousness. As you know that what is a body weight, loss of a body weight. In the previous topic we have said they are having obese in nature, but this one is a loss of body weight. Okay, so that's it for a hyperthyroidism. So we are complete our thyroid gland. It just recalls and once again for the thyroid gland, they are in the form of 2 lobe structure presented in the either side of a tracheal wall. Okay, in that there are 2 lobes are connected by the nerve, that is a narrow band. Name is thymus. Okay, here they are secretly 2 hormone. A first one is the triiodothyronine and next one is the tetraiodothyronine. Okay, here they are having a 2 kind of diseases. A first one is the hypothyroidism and next one is the hyperthyroidism. In that hypothyroidism, which means they secreted in a less amount. Okay, due to the less amount secretion of hormones, they are having some diseases, that is the goiter, a swelling on the neck, and cretinism, a stunted growth, and mental ability also. Next one, we are having the myxoedema, that only we are seeing now, right? The myxoedema, we see no, that is a mental sluggish, and these are all the symptoms we say, an accumulation of fluid in the tissue. And last one we are seeing that hyperthyroidism. Okay, in that hyperthyroidism, we call as a grave disease. They are having some of the symptoms also. We see that. Okay, so that's it for a thyroid. Okay, let me move on. And next one, we are having a parathyroid. Here, a parathyroid gland. Here, a parathyroid, which means they are having a pairs of thyroid gland. The first thing, there is a four oval bodies. Four oval bodies. Oval body na, just like this. Here, where it is present, we say the thyroid gland. So this is the, just imagine, this is the thyroid gland, and this is the neck portion. Okay, this is a parathyroid gland for oval body. Okay, has suited in the posterior surface, and here they are having a chief cells. In the parathyroid gland, they are having a chief cell. They are secrete that hormone is the parathormone. They are only secrete the parathormone. Okay, and here they are having some functions of an hormone. The first one functions is, just have to write a topic for that. The first function regulate the calcium and phosphorus. Regulate the two things. The first one is the calcium. Know that what is the function of calcium? Responsible for the bone growth. Okay, and phosphorus. Here, just the two things are maintain the metabolic rate in our body. That is the BMR. We say no, metabolic rate in our body. And here, not here we already say that calcium is responsible for the bone growth, so they are act on the calcium and phosphorus responsible for the bone growth, so they are act on your bone. And next one, kidney, and next one, intestine. Here the first one is a bone, we already said that, and here a kidney stop to release the calcium through the urine. Okay, stop to release, which means if they are having a high amount of calcium in that bone, they are releasing through the urine. That is they are goes to the blood, through the blood. They are goes to the kidney. Here they are having a filtrate agents, right? So they are easily get precipitated to the kidney part. They convert as a stone. Okay, and next they are act as a intestine part also. Here maintain a blood calcium level. And here these are all the functions of an parathyroid. If we see the next one, a parathyroid dysfunction, which means they have not, if not properly secreted, mean what will be happen? A parathyroid dysfunction. Okay, here a secretion of an alternation. We already said that they are only responsible for two things. First one is the calcium and next one is the phosphorus, right? If they are not properly work for the parathormone, that is a parathyroid, just they are removing that parathyroid gland during their having an operation, that is the thyroidotomy. Thyroidotomy, which means operation to removal of an thyroid gland. That is a parathyroid gland. Removal of parathyroid. Okay, and here it causes a decreased secretion of a parathormone. The first one is causes of muscle spasms. Muscle spasms, which mean நரம்பு பிடிப்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is the spasms. So it is also known as a tetany. Okay, and the spasmsக்கு other name தான் tetany. Okay, and next one, a sustained contraction, that sustain the contraction of the face. Muscle spans are occur in the face, larynx, as you know that word larynx, that is the voice box, and hands and feet also. Okay, and next one, and not only that, they are having another symptoms also, painful cramps of limb muscles. ஓகேவா, ஹியர் அ பெயின்ஃபுல் கிராம்ஸ். கிராம்ஸ்னா தசை பிடிப்பு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, ஸ்டாம்ப்ஸ்னா நரம்பு பிடிக்கிறது, கிராம்ஸ்னா தசை பிடிக்கிறது எங்கன்னா லிம்பு பகுதியில், இந்த மூட்டுலாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா அங்கெல்லாம். ஓகேவா, ஸோ திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் தி parathyroid dysfunction. A first one, if they are not properly work for the parathyroid, just they are removing to their operation, that is a triiodectomy, which means removal of parathyroid gland. Here they are having some symptoms for that, a deficiency of parathyroid. The first one is the muscle spasms, that is the tetany. Okay, next here the muscle spasms, and they are automatically damage to the face, larynx and hand and the feet also, feet. Okay, next one, a painful cramps of limb muscles. Here cramps na சொல்லியாச்சு, நரம்பு தசை பிடிப்பு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, cramps of limb muscle. So that's it for an parathyroid gland. So now we are complete our today lesson. Okay, I have to note it down in your observation. We have seen the remaining topic for the next class. Okay, thank you.